Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of acute appendicitis with piccolith in its interior. You can see the area of scanning is the right iliac fossa, and first of all you have to focus the ascending colon. It is generally accepted that main etiology of appendicitis is obstruction due to piccolith in adults and lymphoid hyperplasia in children. It is also accepted that perforated gangrenous appendicitis is associated with an obstructed appendix secondary to the presence of piccolith. The most useful signs of acute appendicitis on ultrasonography is an outer appendiceal diameter of 6 mm or greater on cross section. Depending on the techniques used, the diagnostic accuracy of CT in acute appendicitis ranges from 93 to 98%. You can see after focusing the ascending colon, you will focus the cecum, and then in the surrounding area of the cecum you will sweep the probe in the surrounding area of the appendix, and you can find the inflamed appendix. Now as you can see here, the appendix is seen along with a piccolith in its interior. Sometimes stool can get stuck in the appendix, which is shaped like a tube with one closed end. Like a balloon that has been tied up, there is no way for what trapped inside to escape. The pressure builds as the appendix continues producing its normal secretions. Appendix infection is one of the most common causes of appendicitis. A viral or bacterial infection causes the appendix to swell and fill with pus. The inflammation blocks blood flow to the appendix, which then starts to die. At this point, appendix can develop holes or tears or may even burst if it is not treated. Now you can see this is the inflamed appendix, acute appendicitis, and piccolith is seen in the proximal portion of this tubular structure. Appendicitis can be acute or chronic. In acute cases of appendicitis, the symptoms tend to be severe and develop suddenly. In chronic cases, the symptoms may be milder and may come and go over several weeks, months, or even years. Appendicitis symptoms may last between 36 to 72 hours before the appendix ruptures. Appendicitis symptoms develop quickly from onset of this condition. Early symptoms include pain near the belly button, loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting, and a low fever. Thanks for watching. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.